Hey people, so as you all know, I do these whole book reviews, and so there is this book called Open Book. It's by, there's this ebook that is an autobiography by this actress Kubbra Sait. And oh my god, I mean, I was like, there are certain books that draw you in. Like, in terms of Kubbra Sait, I read this, this book. It's Open Book. The title is Open Book, and you can find it on Amazon. And it is something that Kubra Seth tells us of how she was bullied in her younger days and how that has come to shape her personality as it is today. So it is so unique to see that a person who's well into her 30s, late 30s, I would say, and it's one of the most candid books I have seen where normally many of these celebrity stars like to project a very strong and very impressive side to their personality, but this book was is as vulnerable as it gets. So do check it out, people. It's called Open Book, and it's by this Netflix star Kubra Seth, and it's a book that will change your perspective towards celebrities. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.